Welcome to Maths Ki Jadunagari. Today we shall discuss the coordinate geometry theme 2 from CBSE class 9. Today we shall discuss the distance formula, distance between 2 points. We can make the questions like that. Find the distance between any 2 points. In the other way also, question can become in the coming examination. Since we are going to find out the distance between 2 points, suppose there are 2 points in a Cartesian plane P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2. Let P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2 any two distinct points in a Cartesian plane. Okay, let's join the points. Now we shall find the distance of PQ. PQ equal to how much? We shall find out. Now let's construct something to prove. Directly we can't find out the value of PQ. Now let's see. Let's draw PM and QN perpendicular from P and Q. We can write like that: PM perpendicular OX on x-axis and QN perpendicular OX, and we shall write like that: PR perpendicular from P on QN and PR perpendicular QN drawn. Now PQR become a right angle triangle. From right angle triangle we can use Pythagoras theorem. What was the Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem was hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Now come next. Since we have to find out only PQ, we need the distance of PR and QR. We shall find out the PR and QR. Let's see. Here PR equal to how much? PR equal to how much? PR will be equal to MN. PR will be equal to the MN. And MN we can write like that. MN will be from total, when we subtract OM, then we shall find the MN. And ON minus ON. ON from total, when we subtract OM, then we shall find the MN. Now let's see. ON means the distance, positive direction of x-axis. Since here is a point and x coordinate will come, ON will be x coordinate will come. Let's write, let's say x2 minus OM. How shall we write OM? OM, since there is a positive direction of x-axis, we can take the x coordinate. How much x coordinate here? Since here is a point, here there is a point P x1 y1, and the x coordinate is x1. That's why we can write here x1. Similarly, we can find out QR also. QR we can find like that: from total QN minus RN. And from total when we subtract RN, we shall find the QR. Okay. QN means, QN. And RN will be similar to PM. Since these are the parallel lines and also perpendicular, that's why RN and PM are equal lines. Now let's find out the value of QN and PM. QN means, QN is here. Since it's a positive direction of y-axis, we can take the y coordinate. Y coordinate here is y2 minus. And PM means again y positive direction of y-axis. That's why we can take y1. We already find out the value of PR and QR. Now let's use Pythagoras theorem. From triangle PQR, we can write a Pythagoras theorem. PQ square equal to PR square plus QR square. Take a screenshot or pause and note down. After that, and PQ will be, when we venture the square, then one square root comes in the right side. PR square plus QR square. And PR, the value of PR was x2 minus x1. So whole square. QR means QR, value of QR equal to y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1 whole square. And this is the formula PQ. This is the distance formula. Now complete it, but we can write another thing here. We can write like this also. We can write x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, same to same. Because a minus b whole square and b minus a whole square are same. That's why we can write like PQ equal to root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. We can write. Okay, this much completed. We can find origin से हम कोई भी पॉइंट की डिस्टेंस निकल सकते हैं. जैसे कि ओरिजिन का कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होता है 0 0 एंड एनी पॉइंट का, सपोज P इज एनी पॉइंट, एनी पॉइंट का कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होगा XY हमने लेट कर लिया. ओके, लेट्स फाइंड आउट with using distance formula, and distance formula was PQ equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now we shall find out here OP, distance of OP. OP means x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. And here is x2 means x and x1 means 0. That's why we can write x minus 0 whole square, and y2 minus y1 will be y minus 0 whole square, and the final value will be x square plus y square. It means distance of any point from origin will be OP equal to x square plus y square. It means root over x square plus y square. These two are the formula. Distance between two points